Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we're going to accomplish a few things. First off, we've got some giant boxes. Let's take a look. There's one. There's two. Ooh, and there's three. So, bump my ring. We're going to open these all coming up right now, and after that we're going to do another ride point of view just because we all need a little Disney. It's coming up. Alright, so these are technically called Bling boxes. They're from Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. We call them itty bitty bibbities down. We call them itty bitty bibbities around here. And I've saved up a few because there's just 2 pins in each of these. And so that would be a really short video. So we let them save up for a little bit, and now we're going to check them out. Look at this giant beam of light coming out of here. Super cute. Still got some tissue paper in there. Whoa. I love this one. That is super cute. Check it out. Looks like gauges and a tachometer and stuff for my car. I'm a super car nerd and a Disney nerd. They're bringing it all together for me. That's a score. That one's yellow. And the next one is also really good. I Conquered Rock and Roller Coaster. I'll put better pictures of these. I'm sure the other one was up already because CJ knows what he's doing and I don't. But I'll put a better picture up for you so you can take a better look. Well, that one was excellent. I don't mean to sound surprised. It was excellent. No, it really was. I liked them. Alright. See how quick that was? Otherwise I'd be saying bye. Nope, it's upside down. Next one. This one has teal tissue paper. I don't remember what order they came in or what month they were. Alright. If you guys know me, you know what is not my all-time favorite movie. Snow It All. And he's reading a book that says art and it's upside down because he's super smart. A little better picture of that one. Alright. Next one's cute. Oh, that one was silver. Yellow, yellow, silver. This one, Inside Out. I like that movie. A little better picture. This one is also silver. So these boxes are just 20 bucks. So if you just want a little bit of Disney. Lastly, let's see what we got here. Incredibles. You can call me Mr. Incredible. Put it better. Very nice. That's interesting. So the other ones all had Disney cardboard backers. This one has a Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes cardboard backer. So this must have, I'm assuming, come from a booster set that they took apart? Yeah? I don't know. And then, yeah, because that one's not going to tell me what the price is or anything on it. The back's just blank, so. And then we have Disney's Animal Kingdom. Mickey looking through some binoculars. I like that a lot because I like anything Mickey. This one is also yellow. So there are our 6 pins. You can... Alright. Just a quick, short, easy video today. But I wanted to get those out because I'm sure some of you pin collectors are curious what you get in the itty bitty bibbidi boxes. The Bling box. Alright, so just like we did last video, I'm just gonna tag a point of view video on the end of this one. And if you don't want to watch a video, or a point of view video, you can click off now. If you do, check out one that's gonna be stuck in your head for the rest of the day. Can you guess what it is? I'm not even gonna tell you. You're just gonna have to watch.
Yes.
Para su seguridad, tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco y cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remember.
Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el muelle y se le pida que desembarque. Gracias.
Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you.
ボートが完全に止まり、下船していただく指示がなされるまでは席を立たないでください。ご協力ありがとうございます。
Alright, so there was your small world, and you can continue singing that the rest of the day. If you would like to take a look at our last video, it is right here. It was a box of Walt Life, and that had the point of view of Storybook Boat Ride in it. If you'd like to subscribe, check it out. Hit the button. Hope you're having a great day.